Be a summary superstar. A summary tells the most important ideas from a text in your own words. Read the summary of this week's cover story, How to Be a YouTube Star, and use a checklist to analyze it. Then, write your own summary of the article. YouTube Stars. In the article, How to Be a YouTube Star, Trisha Culligan examines how some kids have found fame and fortune on YouTube. For example, Evan has more than 8 million subscribers. Now his family makes more than $1 million a year from their YouTube channels. I think making videos and posting them on YouTube is awesome. It seems like a lot of fun. Summary checklist. Decide if the student's summary follows each guideline. Check yes or no. The summary. Question 1. Begins by stating the article's main idea or main ideas. Yes or no. Number 2. The summary includes the main ideas of each section of the article. Yes or no. Number 3. The summary uses paraphrasing or the student's own words. Yes or no. Number 4. The summary does not include personal opinions about the topic. Yes or no. Number 5. The summary includes only key details that support the article's main idea. Yes or no. Next, write your own summary of the article. Remember to follow the guidelines in the checklist above.